How many people are in your life?
It's just private because I don't want.
You're nervous? Why are you scared if you can't erase? Oh, and these ones? The round circles ones? These ones? Or right here?
Eyeliner and gel or cream.
Huh? What happens if you don't put it on public?
Nobody sees it. Eyeliner and gel can last more. Eyeshadow and cream liner, black liner and cream. Just gonna put it under my eye right here. Kind of like a smoky eye look. Let me see. Yeah. I'm gonna get this hair, it's like a gold color. This one here. I'm just gonna add a little, just a little like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. Just kind of to make it look better. And that's more. Okay. And then I'm gonna use a coconut mist. I'm just gonna slide. And I'm gonna grab this one. I'm just gonna put it through your face. Like that. And okay, so I'm gonna grab my foundation. Some right here. This is what I'm holding. And like I said, I don't use this anymore, like, because my face, it gets really sensitive because of my, and I just do this for fun, just to have fun, not too much to teach anymore. I'm gonna spray with this one, kind of wet it a little, and then I'm gonna take off the excess of the mist, and then I just want to fix like right here because I let it kind of tap on my eyebrow, and just like that. Now let me double check. I think I took a little bit of that. I should. No, it's okay. This. So, please get the there. With me. Hi, guys. This one right here. And I'm just gonna go all over my face. Like that. No, because when my pores are open, I kind of like to grab some. I use a single brush. And then I have another one that I take, so it's this one. So it doesn't really matter which one I use. So I put a little bit of this one right here. And I just kind of put it on. I tap the excess a little bit, and kind of start from here. We're gonna wait till the corner of my brow, just like this, the beginning, down, and then just taking the rest. Right there. Nice and working. That way, doesn't look like too harsh. You blend it like this. See? And with this one, I'm just gonna clean this. Because I see a black spot right there. There. And I'm gonna use this one. And I'm gonna use this. And I'm going to use this one. This one. Right. So I'm gonna tap it. And I go upwards like this. And then go like put it like this. And I grab this one. I'm gonna push this one here. I'm just gonna put this one right here. And then the rest of it, I like to grab this one right here. And just kind of tap it right here. And then I double check. Got it for me. I'm gonna go with the loose powder. Kind of tap some of it on the lid. And then, oh, where's my, oh, it's right here. Then I grab this one. And I have this much. So I grab some. I tap on it on the lid. And then I just kind of if you don't do this, it's okay. If you do it before, that's fine. This eyelashes, this one, because they're not too, I might just use this one. And then I'm just gonna line my eye and put that on top of it a little bit, just like mascara. Like that. If you do this, it's okay. Do whatever you do, it works. And I like that. And then I'm just gonna put it on top, right in the middle, just like that. And then I'm just gonna connect it. It's not cool yet, so I'm just gonna grab it and I'm just gonna hold it around until I know that it's wrapped on. So there you go.
Mom, you just do that for practice.
Yes. The left eye, I always kind of help myself with the tweezer because I'm just going around like this. There. And I'm just there's my own with the hole. There you go. And I'm just gonna brush them like this. Brush them so that way no lines are kind of blend. And there you go. This color, I'm just gonna go slightly. And now this one. That's it. And we are done. So that's how it came out. With natural sunlight around my window. Hope you guys liked it.